Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some ratchet straps. I'm going to show you guys what these are here. That's the kind of the barcode with the information on it. But let's open this up and I'll show you guys what these look like. Show me what they look like as well. I haven't seen them yet either. So this is it. Comes with a set of two, which are always good to have. These are some heavy duty tie downs. Let's see what they look like here. So this is it. It comes with the loop section here, and then the ratcheting section here. So pretty easy concept. Comes with a bolt, so you could bolt this onto a side of your trailer or whatever. I guess I don't have my trailer right now. No, I have my rack, but it's on in the other garage. But you can just tie this down, and then you have the ability to just pull the little button, pull the lever there, pull it out, and then cinch it up. So pulls out. Let's see how long this one gets. It's this long. It's nice because it comes all in one piece and it stays together. So I mean, it definitely needs to be mounted down on something, but you see it gets to be about 6 feet long, so it's good for tying stuff down. And then to close it up, oh look at that, it's got a spring load, so you can just push this button here to close it up to where it needs to be, where it's tight, and then you just start to cinch it up with this the rest of the way. So how cool is that? And there we go. So there, now it's tied up. Probably did a little too tight, so let me loosen it here. I'm not holding the right piece. There we go. So I would just like clip it around here or something, and then push the button, and there, now it's tied up for itself. So how cool is that? Really nice. Nice for mounting to something. You could mount it to a truck bed. If you had a truck that you wanted to put it over the top of the bed, it would be perfect. Or just on a back of my trailer, so I could just easily put it on there and just do it right over the top. So super easy. So that's why I'll do it. I'll put one on one side, one on the other side, so I can just go one way, the other way, put everything on there. When I carry couches and whatnot on there, I don't carry a whole lot. I just tow with a little Tesla. So I don't have that ability, but really cool. I like it. Super easy. It's nice because it's not one of those two-piece ratchet sets where things are going to get lost. This thing here is all a single piece. You're not going to lose the end. You're not going to lose any of it. It's really nice. So I'm going to say this is cool. Super heavy duty. I'm guessing you can get lots of weight on there, and it looks like the belt is made like a seat belt or something. It's going to hold anything, and the metal is heavy. It's like super heavy duty. This is the most heavy duty strap I've ever seen. So for me, super good. Thumbs up. I like it. And pick up one of these and you'll like it too.